Hey guys, welcome back to another video of this COBOL programming series. In this video, we'll jump to module 7, which is arrays or table processing. So in this module, we'll be discussing about one-dimensional or two-dimensional arrays. Also, we'll discuss how we can access the element from an array through subscript or index. Also, we'll discuss how we can search the element from an array through the search and search all operations. So let's start. Array declaration. So guys, we also called as tables for array in COBOL. And it's a linear data structure and is a collection of individual data items of same type. For example, if we define integer, so all the elements would be integer in an array. So these are the points that we need to keep in mind before defining an array in COBOL. So we declare it in data division under the working storage section. And occurs clause is used to define a table or array. Occurs clause indicates the repetition of data name definition. For example, if we need to integer multiple times, so we write as occurs clause, occurs 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, and it can only be used with level number starting from 02 to 49. So we can't define array at 01 level. We define at 02 to 49, and we can't use occurs clause with redefine clause. We can't redefine that data item which has the occurs clause. So there are two types of arrays we have in COBOL. One is one-dimensional array, and the second one is two-dimensional array. So in one-dimensional array, occurs clause is used only once in declaration. For example, this is the one-dimensional array we have defined WS table, and we have the group item WS X pick A of 5 occurs 5 times. So only occurs clause we can use only once in an array for one-dimensional array. So in this example, WS table is the group item that contains table, and WX names the table element that occurs 5 times. So let's execute a practical for one-dimensional array in COBOL. So we'll get to know clearly. So let's go to the mainframe. So we'll write a new COBOL program to understand the one-dimensional array in COBOL. So let's create a new member name. So I have created, this is module 7. So I have created one PDS 01.rc.module 7 and the one dimensional program. This would be our program name. So this is the COBOL sheet we have. Now we will write a program for one dimensional array. We'll own the column numbers. Then we start write it from column 8, identification, division, program ID is one dimensional program. Then we have environment, division. Then we have data division. Then we have under data division, we will define working storage section where we will define the array. Then we have procedure, division, and stop run. This is the basic structure of COBOL program. Stop, run. Now we will define one-dimensional array in under working storage section. So this is WS table. Under WS table, we will define a variable WS A pick X of 5 occur 5 times. So guys, we have defined this one-dimensional array. We have one variable WSA for the length of 5 bytes. This is alphanumeric. This occurs 5 times. So let me show you the Excel sheet to you better understand. So let's open Excel sheet. For example, this is 5 bytes field. So we will give the values. We'll assign some value. 5 bytes alphanumeric means COBOL, 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 and COBOL. So this is 5 bytes. This is 5 bytes. This is 5 bytes. So this COBOL occurs 5 times. Means we have defined this WSA 5 times. This 5 bytes. So if we understand this COBOL, 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 and COBOL. So that means this is first row, second row, third row, fourth row, and fifth row. So occur, we have defined the WSA 5 times for 5 row. And we have assigned this values. Let's display this table. Display WS table. Value would come from WS table. Save the program. So we have defined a one-dimensional array here. Let's compile this program. Program is saved, one-dimensional program. Now go to the compile JCL, start 3.4, JCL name, compile. Here our PDS name is module 7, program name is 1 dimensional program. This is load library 1 dimensional program. Okay, so let's save it. Submit this compile job. This compile job has been submitted. Let's go to the spool. This is the compile job 477. So program compiled successfully. Now let's run this program. Go to the run JCL. It's the run JCL. Program name is one dimensional program. This is our load library and we don't need files here. So we just print a sysout message where our WS table would be printed. So let's submit this job. Job has been submitted. Go to the spool. So one dimensional program executed successfully with return code 0. Let's see the sysout messages. See guys, sysout messages have the WS table value COBOL, 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 COBOL and COBOL 5 times. So this way we can define the one dimensional array. So I hope guys you have understand the one dimensional array in this video. So in the next video we'll do a practical for two dimensional array. We'll understand that. So thank you guys. We'll meet in the next one.